Welcome to this tutorial on how to automate Monday.com items. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage and automate their workflows. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to automate your Monday.com items, making your work more efficient and streamlined. First, you need to understand the concept of automation in Monday.com. Automation allows you to create custom workflows that perform specific actions when certain conditions are met. To access the automation feature, go to your board and click on the automation button. Step 1 is to create a new automation. Click on the new automation button and choose the trigger that will initiate the automation. Triggers can be anything from a new item being added to a board to a specific column being updated. For example, you can create a trigger that sends a notification to a team member when a new item is added to a board. Step 2 is to set the conditions for the automation. Conditions allow you to filter the items that will be affected by the automation. For example, you can set a condition that only items with a specific label will be automated. Step 3 is to choose the action that will be performed when the automation is triggered. Actions can be anything from sending a notification to updating a column. For example, you can create an action that assigns a task to a team member when a new item is added to a board. Once you have set up your automation, you can test it to make sure it is working correctly. To test an automation, go to the automation settings and click on the test button. This will allow you to see if the automation is working as expected. Best practices for automating Monday.com items include keeping your automations simple and focused on specific tasks. This will make it easier to manage and troubleshoot your automations. You should also test your automations regularly to ensure they are working correctly. In conclusion, automating Monday.com items can save you time and increase productivity. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create custom workflows that perform specific actions when certain conditions are met. Remember to keep your automations simple and test them regularly to ensure they are working correctly. With practice and experience, you can become proficient in automating your Monday.com items and take your workflow to the next level.